Picture this. Your business is growing, orders are rolling in, your team is flat out, but behind the scenes, it's chaos. You've got one app for inventory, another for orders, maybe a spreadsheet for reporting, and none of it really works well together. And that's where things start to fall apart. We call this the FrankenApps problem. When your software stack turns into a patchwork monster that's holding your business back instead of helping it move forward. FrankenApps happens when businesses piece together a bunch of different software tools that don't integrate properly. Maybe you started with one app to fix a problem here, then added another to solve something else, and before you knew it, you'd built a monster. Individually, these tools might work fine, but together, they're a mess, creating inefficiencies, workarounds, and frustration for your team. This usually starts with good intentions. You find a tool that promises to make things easier, speed up fulfillment, manage inventory, or improve reporting. But when you add it to your existing setup, it doesn't quite fit. Maybe it only does 80% of what you need, or it doesn't connect to your other systems, so now you're stuck with manual workarounds. And instead of streamlining your operations, you've created more complexity. And the real cost? It's not just about the apps themselves. It's the time your team spends fixing mistakes, the delays in fulfillment, and the stress of having to make decisions with incomplete or unreliable data. It's no way to run a business, especially when you're trying to scale. Think about it. You're paying for tools that don't deliver the value they promised. Your team is wasting time on manual processes instead of focusing on growth. And worst of all, you're making decisions based on incomplete and unreliable data. This isn't a tech problem, it's a growth problem. If your systems aren't working together, how can you scale effectively or stay competitive in today's market? The good news? There's a better way to get things working smoothly. It starts with stepping back and looking at your business as a whole. Not just the tools you're using, but how everything connects. Your workflows, your data, and how your team operates. When your systems work together, everything changes. No more double handling orders, no more scrambling to pull reports, and no more frustration trying to make sense of scattered data. Instead, you get a setup where tools talk to each other, your team runs more efficiently, and you have the clarity you need to make confident, data-driven decisions every day. Whether you're moving away from a clunky ERP, transitioning to the cloud, or laying down the groundwork for growth, the key is finding the right systems and processes that fit your business, not the other way around. It's not about patching things together anymore, it's about building a foundation that helps you scale smoothly and sustainably. If this sounds like what your business needs, let's talk. We'll take a close look at your systems and workflows, recommend the tools that fit your business, not the other way around, and help you set up for long-term success. No more FrankenApps. No more chaos. Just a smarter, smoother way to scale your business. Reach out to us today and let's get started.